How to pay bills online with Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to pay your bills quickly through Citibank, well here is how to do it online using your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to enter your credential to log in, and here once logged in you can just click on payments and transfers in the top menu and then select pay bills. Now here on the next page you have to choose the payee from your list and enter the payment amount and select the payment date. And once you're done with that, you simply have to review your payment details and click on submit payment to complete the process. And that's it. That's how you can pay your bill using the Citibank online platform. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.